It's Angel Hawks from Unhinged Creative Plan. And today I've got a monthly layout for January. And we're going to be using the abstract watercolor sticker book. We're going to grab a couple of stickers out of the Hooray Seasons. And then I'll be using Unhinged Creative Plan colorful boxes that match the abstract watercolor book. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I've got some washi that I pulled out of the abstract watercolor sticker book. Oops. Then I'm going to lay down. Oops, I keep getting those off. Let's line it up. There we go. This sticker book is all about recovery and self-reflection, self-affirmations, things like that, positive affirmations. So I thought it would be a really great way to start the new year. So I'm going to use this colorful background box, and then I'm going to layer this saying on top in this empty area because I don't have anything on those days. I'm going to do the same thing over here and use this one. And I'm going to kind of put it towards the top. And I'm going to use a little bit of washi. Wait, I may have to move this one. And put it a little towards the top because I want to put a little bit of washi under it. Bring in some more colors. Okay, next I'm going to grab some more, a little piece of washi and put it under this one and bring in some of that blue to those colors. All right, then I'm going to use this long gold box here on the side. Uh-oh, got it crooked. Okay, and then to cover up that note, I'm going to put a sticker right over that. Then I thought it would be cute to use some of these bar sayings. These are found in the back of the sticker book. Just kind of give it a little bit of gold. Since this is gold, it kind of brings in some more gold into the layout. And now we're ready to add some more decor. Let's try. I've got some of these abstract art, clear stickers that I can lay down. Kind of like I would do with florals. Okay, So I took one of these little colored flags and put it on a monthly box that was in the sticker book. And this is my son's birthday, so I'm going to put a gold birthday sticker, which I found in the Hooray Holidays, Hooray Seasons, what is it? Hooray Seasons book. And then I also have a New Year's Day sticker that I'm going to put on New Year's Day. It was also out of the Seasons book. Next, I'm going to pull some colored boxes from my Unhinged Creative Plan colored boxes that match the abstract watercolor book. It has dark brown, navy, and light brown that matches really nice. And for this, I have some appointments. On the 15th, I've got a virtual planner friends meetup, which you can find out more information down in the description about the meetup group that's open to anyone. We do Zoom calls once a month on the third Saturday of each month, where we get to know each other and trade contact information and develop friendships with other planners all across the country. So if that sounds like fun to you, join us. And that is at 4 p.m. Central Time on the 15th. Next box I have is on the 22nd. I'm serving at church. And then I have one on the 5th. I have Bible study. Then I have church. I'm serving at church on the 23rd. So I'm going to put that there. Now, because these boxes are just kind of plain, I'm going to use some little dots from the sticker book and kind of add a little something in each corner. And a little bit of decoration. Got some gold accents here. I can just bring in some movement to the page. And I have a little bit of this washi left over that I wanted to add to this box. Just give it a little ender there. And let's fill in. Let's see, this was and this is Jordan's birthday. And that is my spread. Easy peasy. So I hope you got some inspiration, some good ideas for doing your January monthly layout. Thanks for spending time with me. Please subscribe to the channel so you can see more good videos that I put out. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you would like to see more of my content. Until next time, be blessed.